Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. A Terry's chocolate orange. These were my favorite treats as a kid, because chocolate and orange together is amazing, and you get to do that really cool smack to break it apart. Oh. That was a real orange. Well, okay, luckily I was going to make some chocolate and orange cookies anyway, so let's get started with those. Okay, so here for our ingredients, we have got 2½ cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of orange zest, which if you get a medium-sized orange, that's about how much zest you'll get, 2 teaspoons of orange juice, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of salted butter, and 8 ounces of coarsely chopped semi-sweet chocolate. Alright, so for mixing these up, we're going to add the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the orange zest to a small bowl, stir those up and set it aside, and then add the sugars and the butter to a large bowl, beat those together until they're nice and combined, and then throw in the eggs and the orange juice, and beat that together until it's nice and fluffy. And then we're going to add in all of the flour mix and the chopped chocolate at the same time, and beat that in just until it's combined. Alright. So I'm going to start off here and combine our flour, baking soda, salt, and orange zest. Okay, and now I'll combine the sugars and the butter. Alright, and now throw in the eggs and the orange juice. Alright, and now we'll throw in that flour mixture and the chocolate. So yeah, that only takes a few seconds. So let's tray them up. Alright, so now we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and then spoon these cookies out onto ungreased cookie sheets about 1.5 inches apart. And then we're going to bake them for about 22 minutes, just until the edges start to turn brown, and take them out and move them to another surface to cool. Okay, there we go. So they weren't quite spaced far enough apart, still squished together a little bit, but just cut them apart, they'll be totally fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're gonna be making some raspberry shortbread. So meet me back here next time for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.